Okay, confession time. I just spent weeks grinding through Khan Academy's entire financial literacy course, all 16 units, 109 pages of notes, so you don't have to. And let me tell you, this course is gold. It's like a 10-year crash course in money skills, from budgeting to retirement. But since you're busy, I'm giving you the Cliff Notes version, plus some key mindset shifts that saved me from financial disasters. Stick around. By the end, you'll know if you're actually financially literate. Let's go. First up, budgeting. It's not about restriction, it's about control. The golden rule, the 50-30-20 rule. Break it down like this: 50% for needs, think rent and groceries; 30% for wants, like Netflix and tacos; and 20% for savings, your emergency fund and investments. This simple framework helps you manage your money without feeling deprived. Next, let's talk credit scores. Your credit score is like a financial GPA. If you're below 600, congratulations. You're paying what I like to call the bad kid tax in higher interest rates. But if you're at 700 or above, you get the VIP treatment. Want to boost your score? Here are some quick hacks. Keep your credit card usage below 10% of your limit, even if you pay it off every month. Never miss a payment. That's 35% of your score right there. And old accounts? Keep them open. They help your score by showing a longer credit history. Now, let's dive into investing. Meet Miguel and Jasmine. Miguel started investing just $25 a month at age 20, while Jasmine waited until she was 30 and invested $50 a month. Who do you think came out ahead? Spoiler alert, it's Miguel. Why? The eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. The earlier you start, even with just $10, the more your money grows over time. But be careful, scammers are evolving. Rule number one: if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And rule number two: never share personal information, even if you get a call about an Amazon refund. Trust me, it's a trap. And taxes? You're paying them daily: sales tax, payroll tax, even toll tax. Just picture me crying over a $5 bridge toll. Now, let's tackle the age-old debate: rent versus buy. Spoiler alert, buying isn't always better. Let's do the math. A 400,000 house might cost you about 18,000 a year after deductions. But renting that same place, you're looking at around 16,000 a year, plus potential investment gains. Sometimes renting wins out. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Boom! You just got a college-level finance course in 10 minutes. Want the full deep dive? Check out Khan Academy's course. It's free. Drop a comment about which tip blew your mind.